Okay, all right, Marge, I'm recording. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm looking for buildings where it shows the Wen, or buildings I know in all these Main Street pictures, trying to figure out
So these are all topography
what's
pictures
changed.
or high
Well,
school?
the bridge, the new bridge, here's these guys in the nice suits back in '63. So that bridge isn't new, but I didn't know it was that old.
Me either.
That'd be 22 years, or
So this is something that you
62
can
years
come
old.
and see when you are visiting us at the inn.
funny.
And these are amazing. So Marge knows where all this is. So you can just
Yeah,
ask
but
her
there's
about
a
it.
lot of them that are gone. You know,
Yeah.
these
So
buildings aren't here anymore.
this is another thing you'll probably want to see if you come visit us. We love it so much. Love it so much. I mean, this whole place is so great. We're in the third room right now, and there is, we're getting a private tour, but there's so much to see here. There's so much to photograph. There's so much history just in this tiny space. So don't miss it when you come, because especially if you like interesting stories or things that are just completely riveting. This town has done a very good job of getting to know its own history and why, and passing the stories on. And if you come, you should definitely ask about this picture, because it has a very interesting story about World War II, and it has to do with this patch over here. So if you are into military, there's a whole military section, and anyone that's from this town, you can come and look up their stuff. They have every single soldier, but you should ask about this. And this has to do with that image right there. So make sure you ask about that when you come visit us. And some of you might even already know what that is.